afternoon, everyone. Myself, Karan Dwivedi, Country Head India, ECN Global, and I welcome you all for this wonderful session today. We have been waiting for from last, I believe, 1.5 months when we spoke about crypto bulls for the first time in month of December, and we spoke about that how this acquisition and everything will be beneficial for our community, and since then. The team of Cryptobulls and the team of ECN Global has been working very hard, for such magical, development since then. So today is a day when we will really know what we have done and why Cryptobull is the top notch and the best in the market from last couple of years and responsible for developing or responsible for creating up to 1000% of profit in cryptos, and why these products are so much popular, and the Cryptobulls has got a very big community as well. So together we are very stronger today, and I really would like to welcome you first of all. So we have among us the best in the business, and Mr. David Nelson, who has been responsible for this product training of Cryptobulls. So I would like to invite Mr. David Nelson to the Zoom, and would like to ask him to share first of all what is Cryptobulls all about, and give us the more information about the packages. We have got so many different packages of Cryptobulls which are having so much weightage as per their package value, and definitely as per their institutional value too. So I would like to welcome Mr. David Nelson. Mr. Nelson, you are welcome, and kindly share your screen and please proceed with the magical moments.
Thank you so much. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are.
Okay, and I hope you guys are able to see my screen as well.
We do, sir. Yes.
Lovely. So, hey, ESPN guys, thank you for having me here. Welcome to your first step towards making profitable trading, and so much so that it becomes your favorite pastime. You are looking at Cryptobulls as a business that basically evolved from being just a team of traders working for themselves to taking a goal of educating the world about trading. And then because crypto was such a beautiful industry to work with, where everybody can make humongous profits for themselves, despite of the fact that the market is very, very volatile and a lot of people tend to lose money. But let's understand the fact that these crypto trading markets are exactly the same as the institutional trading markets were 20 years ago. So if somebody like us, coming from decades, like a couple of decades of experience from the institutional markets, then when we entered into the crypto markets, it was almost the same experience that we have had. For us, it is very, very easy to predict what's about to happen, what's happening. We have seen these phenomena grow in front of our eyes a couple of years ago when the crypto started, as well as when the institutional trading started in various parts of the world, whilst a lot of people in our team come from when it all started in the New York exchange and the England exchange, like the London Stock Exchange as you know it. So our experience can be utilized multiple times whenever a new market starts in the world. So if you can read from the deck in front of your screen, I hope you're able to see the second page, basically the first page on your left, that the team is 16 years old, into trading. We've been into stocks, we've been into commodities and forex. The team has technology experience building up algorithmic um, trading scales, algorithmic quants, as we call it in the professional world. And we have been trading in low frequency strategies. We have been trading in high liquidity assets, S&Ps for those who come from trading backgrounds. So I don't really want to bore out the audience and throw out too much. I simply want you guys to let you know that one, that you are in good hands. You've been you'll be trading with some of the experts that have built a fortune in crypto trading as well as trading industry as a whole. Secondly, please don't mind me speaking too slow because I see people from all the geographies here. I want to be as slow and as clear as I can be. So I hope all of you are able to hear me. Guys, can you please lower down your hands and just raise it when a question is asked? So that way that will help me understand your sentiments better. I can see so many hands raised. So if you can please pull down your hands, lower down your hands, and that will help me understand you guys better. Okay, there's still so many more hands. There are 11 more hands raised up. Can you guys please lower down your hands? Lovely. There's still 3 hands up. Seems like it's a practice. We don't need the hands up.
I believe they are thinking you're asking for the hand raise.
Okay, please pull down your hands. So
yeah, brothers, please, you need to lower your hand, low down, not raise. Just low down your hand. In other words, just do not raise hand.
Okay, don't do anything. I'll just manage it from the admin side. Okay.
All right.
Right.
They'll keep doing it, sir. Let it be. Please proceed. All right.
So I'll request the other co-hosts to keep lowering all the hands and only allow it to happen when a question is asked. So fantastic. I will go on to the product explanation side. Now that you understand that you're dealing with people that have spent a lifetime in trading and almost a lifetime, as you can assume, 5 years, 6 years would be in crypto. So we come from an extensive background of technology, of trading, and of business, and that is why our past comes handy when we go on to catch trends of cryptos. Now, when we started off Cryptobulls 1.5 years ago, it was still very tough for us to prove what we were. But the beauty of today's call is that we have 1.5 years of history to prove that every trade really meant something. Every trade that we posted on the platform means something for you. If you log into the Cryptobulls platform, you will be able to see future trades that were posted on the platform. And if you want to verify if these trades were real, if all of this is for real, there is a public testimony of time, basically a public timestamp on the Telegram channels of Cryptobulls. So you are invited to open up the reports on Crypto's back office and then check every single trade as much as you want on the Telegram group. So Telegram group will give you a verification of the fact that the trade was really posted on the time it claims to be, and then the report will tell you about the price action, and then you can verify the same price action from public markets. So you can open coin market cap or maybe some exchange to verify that the prices and profits are for real. One more thing before we go on to the products, Cryptobulls just does not take pride in talking about the profits we have made. We basically take pride in being the honest platform that we are. And for the same reason, we talk about our losses as well. So you will be able to see a few trades that didn't make profit. They were basically loss-making trades, but we don't shy away from our claims. We basically we want you to understand that trading, we are not gods. We are still humans. We are just smarter humans who understand that there will be patterns of profit and loss, and that investments and trading eventually mean a lot when they are profit making. So if the ratio of your profit making trades is more than your loss making trades, then you're basically a successful trader. Nobody in the world makes 100% success ratio. And that is why all the products that we will be talking about will have to be made um, practical for you and profit making for you with some additional training. So as of now, we will launch the product. In fact, the products are already open for you to buy, but later on it will be accompanied by extensive trading training if you guys want to, right? And with this, I want to step into our first product. Our first product is Moonpick. Let's understand it well, and I would request the moderators to basically um, have a parallel stream on the ECN channels, if they can arrange it, please, so that we can have the video recording available on ECN channels, explaining the products of Cryptobulls. We don't have to essentially wait for this, but if it is possible.
Sir, streaming is going on live on ECN channels.
Yeah, I've just mentioned it on the chat as well.
Right,
Cool.
sir.
So our first product is a really entry level product. I don't want to stress too much on it. It is simply as the content says. I'll read the content for you and then quickly explain it. So Moonpick is designed to facilitate a safe experience for the first timers as well as critical research who can't afford to lose. These reports include analysis of project, team, product adoption, selling features, blah blah blah, about a particular project, and then it gives you a clear indicator of buy or avoid with solid reasons. So to explain this to you in easier terms, it basically means we see that there are profits and loss making propositions all over in the market. But if you were able to identify just one project, simply one project that can make you profits, wouldn't you bet all your money on that? In fact, not all your money, maybe just your risk appetite on it. If you had $100 to invest, you would rather want to invest in a trade that is sure shot, okay, and that a friend would suggest to you. So consider Cryptobulls and Moonpick, the first product, as your friend who has some information about a product. He will share that information with you as well as a clear indication to buy the project or not. We generally tend to talk about a very popular product that is creating a buzz, and that is why even an avoid signal means a lot. So let's say in the early stages of Tron, everybody was talking about Tron and the ICO of Tron. But if somehow you had a friend who could tell you that, well, don't invest in the Tron ICO and avoid it, you could have saved some money because it dumped initially and then it pumped to the roof. So this is what the first product is about. It comes very, very cheap. It gives you a hint of our strength in the market. It will simply give you one suggestion of name of the project, a detailed analysis if you want to look at it, and then a clear indicator of buying or avoiding it, right? So this is our first product. Let's move on to the second product. Our second product is Essentials. So Essentials is only about Bitcoin, right? That is the essential of this market, right? So when in this product, you get signals about Bitcoin and Ethereum trades. These signals are both types. These are swing trades, which is basically short-term trades, And then there are long-term trades as well. I mean, intraday signals wherein you can uh, take a tiny spin-off for a day. So let's say it will give you a price point for Bitcoin to enter and then 3 price points for exit. So you can, let's say if somebody would tell you to quickly buy Bitcoin at $40,000 and then quickly exit at $42,000, that would make you some quick bucks, right? So the essentials, the product essentials brings you the safety of dealing with just the top caps of the market, the top 2 coins of the market. So it gives you a necessary backbone of the volatility, basically, wherein we believe that Bitcoin holds the largest value and it won't just dump on you, right? So it won't be a morning when you wake up and you find Bitcoin or Ethereum at $100. There is a certain backing of volume to these 2 coins. So Essentials is only focused on signals of Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'll move to the top caps. The third product in this category is top cap. So let's say you love what you see in Cryptobulls and you want to trade aggressively. You have a risk bucket and then you also have a high risk bucket. You would want to position yourself better in the market, so you make safe profits with Bitcoin and Ethereum, but you want to make aggressive profits. You don't want to lose out on aggressive profits that most of these altcoins give to you. So in this case, you buy the product top caps, and in top caps, you get signals on top 100 altcoins. This also includes Bitcoin and Ethereum, by the way. So you are able to, I mean, you're not missing out on the relatively safer investments in terms of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so on, but you're also getting exposed in a limited amount of risk, because I mentioned that we are only giving you signals on top 100 altcoins. So it is not like one of those gray investment schemes in the market, and somebody comes to you that, you know what, you have missed out on the Bitcoin rally, but there's this new Bitcoin that you should buy, and this is supposed to become the next big coin, right? But then that coin really stands nowhere in the real market. We are talking about, we are not here to pump and dump games. Basically, we call it shit coins in this market. So we're not here to pump and dump. We are giving you signals on the most verified assets, on the most verified coins. And for that reason, we don't step out of the top 100. So at least when we give a signal, you know that we are talking about a project that has found its place in the top 100 list. Okay, and it is verified by the communities around the world. It has certain trading volume for all of you to enter. So this brings me to even more sophisticated products in the category. Now I would want to warn more, in fact, more sincerely, because the fourth product in this category, which is spot futures and options, this is a very professional trading regime. You are talking about professional trading. So you would only want to use this product if you are a professional trader. If you want, I mean, if you know what you're dealing with, because spot trading is relatively safe. By spot trading, I mean when you buy an asset and you hold it. Futures and options is the type of trading where you leverage your position. You give $100 and you are provided an opportunity to trade with $1,000. Okay, but that also means tremendous amount of risk that won't be advisable to early investors. So those who are testing waters with cryptos, they are not at all suggested to buy this product. This is only for traders who know what futures and options is, who understand leverage trading, who understand the risk of leverage trading, and they get these sophisticated signals to be executed on BitMEX and Binance options platforms. So I don't want to talk too much about this product because I know that those who are leverage traders would obviously understand the product. I quickly want to jump onto absolute intelligence because I know I'm running out of time. Absolute intelligence is one package, one single package that gives you an access to the entire product line. It gives you all the products that we discussed. So it gives you Bitcoin signals, it gives you altcoin signals, and it also gives you options, futures signals, right? So if you are all into trading and you are full time into trading and you spend 6 hours or 3 hours in a day in front of the terminal, in front of your screen, this is the product that you're talking about. There is a fantastic part of the product that I personally love, and it is that you get 5 moon pick reports also. So, if you want to have safe investments, a good portfolio or a division of safe investment, high risk investment, then you can have this product really helps you well. You have 5 moon pick reports in a month and 2 detailed reports. If you are an analyst inside yourself, you would simply love absolute intelligence. And this sort of brings me to the last product of the category, which is all in. So I personally love this product, and I think everybody who's ever got associated to Cryptobulls should always simply buy this one because I think the value of this product is um, earned by the subscriber within 30 days. This product is the most sold product of the category since the day of inception of Cryptobulls. We have sold numerous packages of all in, and this is the product that has been referred mostly from the word of mouth and also through the networks because it has produced tremendous amount of returns for the traders that have bought it. Now in this one, you get access to all the products for 1 year. I've already explained all the products, and it also gives you an additional benefit in terms of we give you personal investment deals. It gives you 5 moon pick reports, 2 detailed project, positional trades. Positional trades is something that we don't give to anyone in any of the product category. So to give you an idea, if I tell you that that there are reasons that XRP or Ripple would pump or dump in the next 7 days, right? Or in the next 30 days, or maybe in the next 90 days, and you can bet your house on it. This is the kind of positional trades we are talking about, the very, very strong market sentiments or market positions that can make you a fortune with necessary safety. So positional trades is the ultimate income or the ultimate trade that you want to have in your life. You might have heard of people making their fortune out of just one trade. Somebody bought Tesla 3 years ago and today is a billionaire. I know personally a friend of mine by the name David Calcani. He invested in Uber in the early days. Today, he's the largest shareholder and the largest beneficiary through the Uber deal, right? And I think a positional trade is worth a fortune. So I would want to close my presentation with a real positional trade right on this call, right? I want all of you to make benefits. I want all of you to make a fortune. And the real positional trade that I want to suggest as a part of the value delivery on this call before we close is ECN. I hope all of you understand that ECN has never sold a single token. ECN is working on stellar token model. We call it Lumen today, and we are only airdropping it for free. And that makes it the ultimate market position. It is already tying up with large games. It is tying up with large trading ecosystems. ECN ecosystem is expanding through trading infrastructures, and there's a whole plethora of utility that is about to join in the conjunction of ECN, and that is going to create tremendous amount of value. Most of you have already seen a glimpse of it in the early days when it has hit 300% on Uniswap. So and that is when the tokens were just airdropped to 1,000+ people. We're talking about similar traction. We're talking about, in fact, tremendous amount of traction because of the price action, and we're also talking about tremendous amount of price action because of the utility. So it's a proper, well-researched proposition where you can bet a lifetime of income. And that pulls me to the end of this presentation. Why Cryptobulls? You'll all get access to this presentation by the end of the session today. We'll post a link. And this is also available in your back office. You log into Cryptobulls and you find a section by the name resources. There are many videos, there are many tutorials and all these presentations for you to, again, understand the products, more references to how can you make the most out of this product, and so on. So this brings me to the end. I would want to thank Ingrid to have built this product for all of us and present it to us. She's not available right now because she's in Miami, not a good time to bother her, but then she will be available in future training meets after we get good traction from the ESPN community, because right now Cryptobulls is being integrated in multiple exchanges and there's so many more ecosystem integrations happening. We cannot get a bite of Ingrid right now, but then probably in the coming days, as soon as we have enough numbers to grab her attention, very soon we'll have her in the training sessions, and we are also expecting to see her in the future events. Thank you so much.